Okay, you guys, welcome to Trieu Loi showroom. We just recently did a grand opening on our new showroom here. This is Trieu Loi showroom. We pretty much work with sandblasting machine, beads blasting machine, cabinet blasting, engraver machine, and also paint machine. We also distribute the brown oxide aluminum sand, glass beads, steel grids from Growell, Thailand, and steel shots also from Growell, Thailand. We're located at 60/4D Nam Lan 5 Street, Diem Hoc Mon, thành phố Hồ Chí Minh. You can contact our Zalo number, as you can see there on the screen, or Mr. Lai. You can also do a on-call ordering for supplies through these two numbers here, or from july1976@gmail.com. Okay, come on into our showroom here, you guys. Trieu Loi Equipment, Trieu Loi Technology Equipment Company Limited. Growell abrasive Thailand steel shots, steel grids. We have our new company slogan here. In Vietnamese is chỉ đẹp là không đủ, tư duy mới, khả năng mới. So we did the translation for that. It comes out just beautiful isn't enough. New thinking, new possibilities. So let me show you the equipment. First of all, we got the motor, Sandblasting Motor here, model 2019, 200 liter. Okay, working pressure is around 4.5 to 8 kilo per centimeter square, and the weight is roughly about 130 pounds. 130 kilograms. Sandblasting right here. It's a really nice piece of equipment. If you are working with abrasive, you need to have the surface of either metalloys, material, woods, plastic, anything that has to do with the surface work. Either make it shinier, a little bit sandy, rough, clean out the surface, rusty, stuff like that. It's really great. Here we have the also 2019 model, 100 liter. Pretty much around the same working pressure, about 80 kilo. A little bit smaller than the 200 liter. And here is the 50 liter, also model of 2019. Designed and manufactured by Trieu Loi. We also have the small engraving motor here, mostly working with engraving and cleaning, also cleaning out surface work. It's just smaller, 25 liter. It's close off. This one is just open top. This one just close off. Depends on whatever it is that you need. As for supplies and equipment supplies, we have all parts. We have all parts here. We have the breathing air tank. We have the breathing air tank filter. It's activated carbon filter inside. For this piece right here, this is the breathing air tank. Air supply while you do the sandblasting. There's a lot of dust going on. You know, it's hard to breathe, so this is the tank that supply the air, the breathing air for you while you do the blasting process. I have the coupling for the 25 by 39 hose, blasting hose. This is the hand coupling for it. The one right next to it is the 32 by 48 coupling. Right next to it, I have the contract core moisture separator. Is from Germany, so great stuff, good stuff. I also have from the Singapore one. It's the moisture separator. On top, I got the paint spray cable here, paint spray hose. We got from Switzerland, Korea, anything from our bars, 700 bars, you know, whatever it is you need, we have it. The ball valves of all kinds, 17, 21. If you're from the western side, then it's gonna be the 1/4 inch up to 1 1/4 inch. If you're in the eastern side, then it's gonna be 17, 21, 27, 32, 40, 42, 34, 42. Excuse me, sorry. All the replacement parts. It's a lot. It's a lot of small replacement part that we have here. Supplies, hose connector, coupling. We also have stainless steel ones if you decided to have stainless steel. Cool. And then on our right side of the showroom, we got the polishing machine. And what it does is you would have to put in the material, the piece that you need to have it polished. You put it in here, and there's beads that you put in together with it, and you add a little bit of chemicals, and then the machine will just vibrate. And when it does, the vibrations will you know, scratch the surface of the piece that you want to have it polished, and that it just shines up by itself. So that is it. We also have a big distributor on this machine here. In this case, we have the motorbike helmet, which we give it out to customers who make enough purchases, or a unit from us, and they can just have one or two, whatever they likes, just for customer, for fun. Over here we have the water pump. Okay, just different brands. The one we use is Draco pumps. So great stuff, great stuff. Foot switch, solenoid valve, pressure gauge, and pressure control. Pressurizer, not pressure control, pressurizer. This piece right here is for water sandblasting, and this is the head piece for it. Just gonna show you guys quickly. For any more questions or anything you guys seen so far, you guys can contact us at our showroom phone number, or you can contact Mr. Lai directly to him. As you know, he's a great company director. So give him a call, you guys, if you guys have any questions. So for now, I'll continue on. This is the noise reducer. It's not quite a silencer, but it does reduce a lot of the noises down to kind of decimate the noises. We got the controller. We got more couplings. This is stainless steel couplings, depends on the size of the hose. Show you guys real quick, and this is the pop-up valve mushroom shape. Okay, and Mr. Lai here, also a big fan of compressor machines himself. So because each one of our equipment will require one unit of the compressor, depends on which piece it is, which unit it is. For example, the 200 liter over there which require a 50 horsepower, that's 37 kilowatt machine. So each one of those motor over there will require one. The little one right here is the 7.5 horsepower, 7.5. Okay, and you see this is his Beamer sport car right here. Just kidding. Cabinets, you guys, cabinets is great because it circulates. They have a circulation in there. It cleans out all the dust, and it leaves you only the abrasive sand to work with, and it's really good for environment. It cleans out all the air, all the dust. Great stuff. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. This is the control panel. You can have the timer on here, lights, start button, power switch. The timer here is there's two there are two dials on here. You can have one for amount of time that the sand is being blasted, and the amount of time that the solenoid valve will shake the dust off of the filter inside. The filters inside. The motor on top depends on which unit you are working with. It'll be a different size motor, but like I said, each one will require a compressor and a motor of its own requirement. Okay, so we have one. Just turn it on, show you guys real quick what it is like inside. As you can see, this steel bar right here is all rusted, right? All rusted, everything. Okay, so for example, if you need to have it done, I'll show you right now. So we're gonna do a quick session, sandblasting session. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So less than 5 seconds per face like that, and it's already clean. And I'll show you shortly, right after we finish cleaning it up for you. Okay, and now just take a look at it. All the rust, all the dust, oil, all the debris that was on there, the unwanted debris on there, it's gone. It's all gone. It's only a nice clean surface, really nice and clean. It's right before you need to paint metal or anything, door frames, motor blocks, anything like that. You want to get rid of all the rust, so it's great. And depends on the surface that you would like to create. We have different abrasive sand to do it. You want it like shiny, or you want it rough, you just want it clean, whatever the situation is, we have the answer for it. We have the solution for it. Okay, so over here